Some drinks can have as many calories in them as a meal, but will these liquid sugar calories fill you up like eating food well? Dr. Jason Gill from the University of Glasgow Medical School is going to help me find out. So what's the experiment about, Jason?
Okay, the experiment today is all about sugar in drinks. We've got two netball teams here. We're going to give one of them a drink with sugar after the game, and we're going to give the other group a sugar-free version of the same drink. And then we're going to give them an all-you-can-eat buffet and see how much food they choose to eat at that.
Okay, so then I would guess that the team that's given the drink with sugar in would therefore eat the less food?
That's what you'd think. We're going to see whether that's actually the case. So we've got the red ones for the red team and the blue ones for the blue team, and all I want you to do is take a bottle and drink all of it before you leave the court.
So if you'd like to help yourself...
Help yourself.
What the red team doesn't know is that they're guzzling sugary blackcurrant squash, which is packed full of calories. The blue team, equally unknowing, are drinking no calories at all. But will the red team, consuming all those extra calories through drink, eat less than the team that has had zero? When the girls have had their fill, they're asked to leave the room. And while they're out, we carefully weigh everything left on the table to calculate the amount of calories each team has consumed. They're in for a shock.
We gave you these two drinks beforehand, but you didn't know that this drink had sugar in it, and that was a sugar-free version of the same drink. And then we had you at this buffet, and we weighed out all the food beforehand, we weighed out what you had at the end, and we calculated how many calories you consumed. And this table consumed 1,000 calories in total more than this table.
And that's entirely because of the sugar content in the drink. That's the difference.
Yeah, the difference is the sugar in the drink. So what happens is when you drink the sugar in the drink, you consume the calories very easily, but your body doesn't really sense them very well, so they don't make you feel full. So when you go to eat, you don't eat any less food, because the calories don't make you feel full from the drink you had beforehand.
So what does that mean in terms of obesity?
Well, we know that sugar-sweetened drinks are a big determinant of obesity. The fact that you're drinking lots of these drinks is one of the big things that's responsible for the fact that we're all getting fatter, particularly children.
One important group that is raising the alarm. The American Heart Association now recommends that people cut back on added sugar dramatically. Women should have no more than 6 teaspoons a day, men 9. Don't forget the total sugar intake in this country per person is 26 teaspoons a day.
Does this sound familiar? You grab a mid-morning soda, a sweetened tea at lunch, a frozen coffee drink in the afternoon, and a couple of sodas at dinner. And all that sugar can bring on serious health problems, including obesity, which causes type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even some cancers. So don't drink yourself sick.
Sugar's not evil, but life is so much better when you get rid of it.